Hoorah! Weird problem with this one. It was red plating the rectifier tube, and it ended up being there's a short in this voltage divider resistor that was bringing the first portion of it to ground. As you can see, I have my voltmeter on the grounding side of the resistor, so the electrolytics tested good. It was not that. So we need to fix that and put a voltage divider in there that's proper. And I had an open cathode resistor on the output tube as well. Usually that means the output tube was no good, so even though it tested good, we gave it one. And there you have it. 2 days of rewiring and it'll be all set.